how did you choose truck driving as a career?
The cost of living and the income what you receive, there should be some balances. I searched some many other jobs and I couldn't find a balance between the job, the cost of living.
How is the complete truck driver license procedure?
They asked me to take up an exam, so I completed successfully and they paid me 11,000 euros.
Which can be in today's time 11 lakh rupees.
Yeah, the driving in Germany is a profession, not like in Indian. In
Okay.
Indian, a truck driver that is not considered as a profession.
Okay, and this exam is also in multiple language?
No, there is a theory test that you can take it in English. There is a second theory test. That is the most complicated one that you should write in German.
So can you share a rough idea about salary and cost?
As a truck driver, when you say basic pay will be nearly.
Hello and welcome to globepravasi. So today we have with us Mr. Jeans, so who is working as a truck driver in Germany. So today we will ask couple of questions to him, and if you are planning to come to Germany as a truck driver in career, so we will cover all the things which will make you aware about the reality, and it's not about scaring you, but what we believe that you guys should know, so that when you come here you should be aware about the situations. So thank you for giving some time to Globe Pravasi, Mr.
Welcome.
Jins. So my first question would be, how did you came with this idea coming to Germany?
Yeah, that was a dependent visa. My wife was working here in Germany, so I got a dependent visa.
Okay.
So then I moved the entire family to shifted to Germany.
Okay. So how did you choose truck driving as a career? So to be clear to audience, so previously you were not a truck driver by profession in India.
No, I was not at all.
Okay.
So when I came here, the cost of living and the income what you receive, there should be some balances.
Yes.
So I searched some many other jobs and I couldn't find a balance between the job, the cost of living, and what I receive as an income. So then I opted as an LKW driver. I thought of making learning the truck driving as a professional course.
Yeah.
So otherwise it will be difficult to live in Germany because when the income low is and the expenses more is, then it makes
Yes, it's
chaos.
hard. Yeah.
So I thought of choosing as truck driver.
So can you briefly tell us how is the complete truck driver license procedure like?
Yeah, in my case, what happened was when I came here, said on dependent visa, I received a letter from the Ausländer Behörde, that's in Panchayat or something like that, called in Indian.
Yeah.
So I received a letter that I should make a German course. That is the learning of German and the integration course.
Okay.
So when I immediately when I finished the B1 course, so I thought of moving to the option of learning license. So I went to the Arbeitsagentur, what's called in job center, something like that. That's I applied for a financial support from the job center, and they asked me for an exam. That's a Deutschkenntnisse. That means the knowledge of German knowledge, something like that. They asked me to take up an exam, so I completed successfully, and they paid me around 11,000 euros.
Which can be in today's time 11 lakh rupees.
Yeah, more than 11 lakh.
Yeah,
They paid me the entire money for driving license.
Yeah.
And the driving in Germany is a profession, not like in Indian. In Indian, a truck driver that is not considered as a profession.
Yeah.
But here in Germany, the truck driving or anyway the car driving, taxi driver also is a profession. Everything is a profession.
Yeah. So did first the car license and then made the truck driving license?
I had made the 2001 March. I have made the car license. Then I made German course. Then in 2002 started my truck driving license.
Car driving license you made here or
Yeah,
in India?
I had it in Indian, but that's not valid here.
What are the basic requirements for making an truck driver's license in Germany?
Basic requirements when we analyze is that firstly you should be 18 plus years age, and then you should be having B class, that is the car license, and you should be having 2 years of experience
Without penalties.
without penalties. There should not be any penalties or break of speed there should be there, you know that there is a 9 points.
9 points.
There should be minimum 7 points balance
Okay.
in your card.
Okay.
Minus 2 points, that is also for specific reasons are exempted, but otherwise that is not accepted.
Okay.
Truck
If you fulfill these criteria, then
Criteria.
you can go for the
license,
truck driving
truck
license.
license.
So how is like for the PKV driving license? For the car driving license which I have did back in the time. So for me it was like the 14 theory classes and somewhere around 20 or something the practical classes compulsory if I am making the new one. How is in the case of the truck drivers?
Truck driver, in the case of truck driver, there is around 198 to 100 hours of theory classes.
Okay.
That is two different classes. That's one thing is the mechanical theory of LKW, the truck, and the other is regulations, rules, regulations, and what we should follow here in Germany. That's integrated in the courses together almost. That will be taking around 100 hours.
Okay, and this exam is also in multiple language?
No, the theory, there is a theory test that you can take it in English.
Okay.
Otherwise, there is a second theory test. That is the most complicated one that you should write in German.
Okay.
That's very difficult and it was very complicated, and you can take only 3 times the exam.
3 times.
When you need to qualify, then you should be taking a break of at least 3 years or something like that.
3 years of break.
Something like that.
Okay. And
That I am not damn sure of that. That is so something I heard.
Okay. And what about the practical classes? How many you have to take compulsory?
That was here the classes is calculated on the basis of 45 minutes.
Okay.
Is one class is calculated. So 42 classes will be there.
42.
That means almost 28 to 30 hours.
And the final exam is carried by the TÜV?
Yeah, but in the case of truck, there will be 3 exams.
Okay.
One is solo truck, and second one is in my case there was a solo truck, then a small truck, then the unhanger with
Okay.
3 trucks.
Yeah.
And I had taken the crane. Do you understand the crane? Na? Crane test and stapler. Do you know stapler?
Yeah.
All those license also I have made it together.
Okay.
So I had around practical tests around 5 and theory writing tests around 3
Okay.
almost.
So it's not that easy. That
It's not easy.
It's like in India, it's completely different picture, and here it's like I am sweating already. So how did you landed in your first job?
So as I have told you that I got the financial support from the job center.
Yeah.
They had given me some options to find some job. So one of them I have chosen and I applied for that and got selected.
Okay. Nice. So now let's talk about some challenges and reality. So what was the biggest challenge, I would say, language or paperwork?
Of course, language. That takes at least 1-2 years to be professional.
Proficient.
Otherwise, and I don't think normally an outlander when he come here, he will not be able to pick up in 1 or 2 years without support.
Yes.
It's a course or something like that.
Yeah.
So
even if you learn on the classes in the classes, but on the paper you might get C1, but unless and until you don't speak.
The best option what I followed is that I take some newspapers and go somewhere where nobody is and I read it loud. That my tongue that will
Get used
move
to that twist,
according to the language. And otherwise I speak to everybody whom I see. Whenever go out, I say hello. We get here.
Yeah.
Then I started.
Yeah, that's really good thing. What was the biggest challenge you faced when you landed in Germany?
First time, the biggest challenge was to find a job without a language support.
Okay.
It was too difficult that when you don't have a German language basic knowledge, that was very difficult to you can only go for a job similar that newspaper distribution or the advertisement distribution. Otherwise you have no choice for job. Otherwise somewhere in a hotel to clean the dishes or something like that.
Yeah.
That was the biggest challenge I have seen.
So can you share a rough idea about salary and cost?
From my point of view, as a truck driver, basic pay will be nearly 3,000 euros.
Okay.
Then there will be some allowances.
That will be additional. Okay. And did you also get the overtime?
For all the LKW drivers, you get the overtime. because you will never be in punctual to
Yeah, yes,
so
because
then
of the
you are,
traffic or maybe
everything.
any reason. So is it standard all across the?
No, approximately I can say, because which the DHL, that's a little bit very
Less.
lesser
Okay.
than some other private companies.
Okay, they are.
Where I work is a close handler. That means that is in overall Europe.
Ah, okay.
So
they give you
better.
standard.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the typical day of a truck driver in Germany? So is it not comparable to India? I know, but how is like
See,
the typical
actually, according to the law, if you are a truck driver, you can maximum 9 hours
per
work
day?
per day work.
Mhm.
That means after every 4.5 hours, you will take a break of 45 minutes. That is by law. If you don't take a break, you will get penalty.
Oh, okay.
4.5 hours, you should take a 45 minutes of break, and then you can take next. You can drive for 4.5 hours more. After that, you should make a break of 11 hours.
Okay.
That's a what do we say?
Ruhr side.
Yeah. Then you should sleep for at least for, that is not for sleeping. At least you should that
You do something else rather
yeah,
than
other
driving.
than driving, because when we drive, we'll use a card, chip card. When we drive, without card, that we cannot drive it.
Oh, okay.
So when we drive it, everything is recorded in that chip. So when the police bypasses, when
They
they
check.
they get the signals.
Oh, okay.
If we have some penalties, automatically they get it signal.
Oh,
So automatically they come close and make get it. The penalties are also feel.
okay. But that is been bared by company then.
No, never.
Oh. So the
Company
penalties have to be paid by driver.
Because the companies say you stay by the rules and regulations of Germany.
Oh.
You should make a break of 45 minutes
45
after 4.5 hours.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, you will get fired.
No.
That means you will get the penalty.
Yeah. Okay. As a truck driver, is it Saturday, Sunday off?
By my firma, there is no working days on Saturdays and Sundays. Only from Monday to Saturday. Sorry, Monday to Friday. In some emergency cases, there is some, for example, on Easter, there is a 5 days or 4 days of
Yes.
leave. So there will be a Saturday working, but for that Saturday working, you will be
Compensation.
compensation of 25% for every hour.
Oh, every hour.
Every hour you will get 25%.
So your contracts are in general like weekly contracts or hourly contracts?
Hourly. That we means 38.5 hours per week.
Okay.
That's the contract
Maximum. So now we are coming to closure. So what would be your advice for someone who wants to come to Germany from India or maybe from other country as a truck driver career?
When I say openly, as a truck driver, you may not be able to directly come here.
Okay.
For example, when I have a dependent visa, it's okay. When I came here as with a dependent visa, then I made my truck license. Then okay, I could work it here. Otherwise, there is another option. I think that's also possible when you come as a job seeker visa. You can pay your own from your pocket.
The Johnson Carter.
Yeah, and you should be paying the license courses. Everything that will be around the cost I have explained it.
Yeah, from 8,000 to
12,000
Yeah.
euros. When you pay it, you can make the license, and obviously you will be getting a job.
Yeah.
Otherwise, as a truck driver, you will not be able to reach here in Germany. Otherwise, you can move to some of the European countries where, like Poland, people come to Malta, then they make the license there, then they shift to Germany or Poland or something like that. In the same way, people go to Poland also.
But in Poland also the driving license theory and practical must be similar tough.
Is similar, but that's very low of cost. Here, when it goes here 11-12,000, there costs that 900 to 1,000 euros.
Okay, but the norms
everything is European Union is same.
European Union approved.
Yeah,
but
this is all same.
So it's not a bypass for the hardness of the exam. You have to go through the same theory, practical, everything same.
Everything, but
the
only the
cost. Okay, but there you have another different challenges of visas and
another problem. But is that when you come from Malta or Poland here as a job seeker, you will be paid very less.
Okay.
because you don't have the language and
Yes.
you don't have a proper paper here in Germany,
Paper, yes.
because they will be having a paper from Poland. So there is another problem. So also,
But when you did your driving license here, and then let's say you move to Poland or some other European country,
uh,
so the respect will be much higher
higher when
higher
you have
than
a German
German driving
license, yeah,
licenses, and you can use it across Europe.
across Europe.
Okay, so that is not a
I
problem.
think it's around 95 countries have approved the license from Germany.
Okay. So you don't need any extra
No,
paper.
no.
Okay. Any common mistakes people make in Germany as a truck driver? Because recently there was a really horrible incident in US. You might have seen that one truck driver took a wrong turn where it was not allowed, and
But I think in Germany there something so happened. No,
because the infrastructure is in such
so
a way
yeah,
that you cannot take a wrong turn.
yeah, that's so is this everything is made, na?
Yeah.
You cannot make a wrong turn anywhere.
Yeah.
In Germany, for example, when you drive in cities, there will be a divider.
Yes.
You cannot cross it anywhere.
Yeah.
Or there will be a line that clearly explains that you are not supposed to cross,
Mhm.
and still you are crossing.
Yeah, then
Then there is no doubt you will lose your license. Then you will be getting a heavy penalty.
yeah.
Then then I don't know whether you will be sent to jail or something like that also.
Yeah, and so the last question would be one golden tip if you want to give to someone who is still willing to come to Germany as a truck driver.
From my experience here in Germany, I would say never produce any fake documents.
Hmm.
One of my friend had did it, and he had to return to India.
Okay,
He had
deported.
deported.
Oh, and that proficiency should be of talking, not only on the
Not
paper.
allowed in the paperwork where you write it.
You get easily certification, we crack it, but
And I have also heard that many people are coming with the duplicate certificates.
yeah,
So when they are caught, everything is finished. So
Yes, yes.
I would recommend make some hard works.
yeah,
Get the
it will pay off.
Yeah, surely. Ready to work hard. It's not like in India, na?
Yeah, yes,
It's not like India.
Yeah.
When you are 10 rupees paid by a German company,
Yeah,
they will be taking 20 rupees from your
of course.
energy. That's the basic thing here.
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time and the
Welcome.
very important information, because it's always important to know people those who are coming to here, so they should get the correct information. And special thanks to my friend Aniket, who made possible to make it this interview happen. And so guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in comment. And for such informations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you in next video. Bye.